Well, absolutely. You see, both the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee have taken note of the entire situation, and war rooms have also been set up, and administration are currently present in the war room, keeping a very, very close track of this entire situation as and when it is unfolding. And the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is also monitoring the entire situation in her own capacity, along with the administration, and of course, the district administration there, the district magistrate along with the RM of the railway have also reached from the new Jalpaiguri station, have reached the spot and are also taking note of the situation very closely. War rooms have been set up, and also control desks have been set up in Shialda station in Kolkata as well, where in order to provide assistance with to the families whose members were traveling in this particular train. Help desk have been set up. Helpline numbers have also been released by these particular to ensure that proper help and assistance be given to the families whose relatives were traveling at the moment in this Kanchenjunga Express. But of course, very tragic incident happening where more than 25 people have been injured, and there is a possibility that the death toll, which is 5 as of now, might also increase. But due to bad weather, the rescue operation is facing a little bit of difficulty because of continuous and rains and the bad weather that is there in the northern part of West Bengal. But at the same time, rescue operation is on. The disaster management team has reached the location. The medical assistance team has also reached the location, and therefore they are continuing with the rescue operation, giving medical assistance to the people who have been rescued as of now.
Okay, all right. Stay with us. Let's take our viewers through the reactions that have been coming in as well. The Union Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav tweeting that this is an unfortunate tragedy and saying that all help is being done. The officials are currently at the spot. The MOS Ravneet Singh Bittu has also tweeted on the same. The tragic accident has taken place in the NFR zone. Swift rescue operations are underway with coordinated efforts from the Railways, NDRF and the SDRF, going on to say that the injured are being quickly moved to the hospitals. Senior officials are on site to supervise. So the ministers have been in touch with the officials. Like we mentioned, a high-level meet is also being ordered in this regard. And a meeting currently taking place. Let's take you across to the visuals. These are the visuals from the accident site. Unfortunate visuals coming in of the rescue operations that are currently underway. Sabyasachi, Ashwini Vaishnav as well as the MOS Ravneet Singh Bittu saying that the officials have currently reached the spot, as we're seeing in the visuals as well. NDRF teams also currently reaching the spot. The injured, many of them also being taken to the hospitals. As of now, the focus is going to be on ensuring that the passengers are evacuated immediately and taken to the hospitals.
Well, absolutely. See, the safety of the passengers is the first priority of the railway right now. See, both Ashwini Vaishnav and MOS Ravneet Singh Bittu currently are at the war room and looking at the situation. The NDRF team, the SDRF team, all has been discharged for the accident site, as well as 50 ambulances are currently over there. Around 50 teams of fire tenders have also reached the spot. Meanwhile, as per the latest information, around 30 people so far have sustained injuries, and all of them have been shifted to the nearby government hospital for the treatment. See, the focus is to make sure that there are no people trapped under the derailed coaches, to make sure that all the people who have sustained injuries, they should be evacuated and shifted to hospital as soon as possible, and make sure that the passengers as well who are stranded, for their own safety, to shift them to a safer location. See, at this particular time, on one hand, the railway is focusing on the rescue operation, and simultaneously they are also trying to find out the reason behind this accident, as from the railway sources within, as because of the goods train had did not see the sign, and that is a reason why they had overshooted and hit the rear part of Kanchenjunga Express. See, this is the information that is coming in within the railway ministry. Meanwhile, the railway officials are looking at all possible angles, and a high-level committee would be formed soon to investigate into this matter and find out who are the people who are behind this and who are at fault. And also, on the other hand, a high-level meeting regarding the safety and accident of the railways would be carried out at the Rail Bhavan soon to analyze the entire situation.
Okay, all right. So currently at this spot, there are a lot of passengers who need to be evacuated immediately. We're also seeing visuals of a lot of local residents who seem to have come there to help out. The visuals on the left side of your screen show the mangled bogies, 3 bogies derailing completely in the accident. This was after the goods train hit the rear end of the passenger train. Sabyasachi, the death toll currently at 5. The police officials have confirmed that there have been 5 deaths, but there are fears that the death toll may go up.
Well, absolutely. See, till now, both the police officials who are at the spot and the railway ministry have confirmed that 5 people have lost their life and more could be feared to have lost their life because of this tragic incident, and the death toll can rise further. Meanwhile, around 30 people have sustained injuries so far, and all of them have been shifted to the nearby government hospital. See, right now, the railway is focusing on the rescue operation as well as to find out what led to this accident, how this goods train had overshooted the signal and hit the rear part of the Kanchenjunga Express. Meanwhile, from the latest figures, around 30 people have sustained injuries and 5 people have lost their life. Meanwhile, a high-level committee will be formed soon which will investigate this entire matter. But first and foremost, the first priority of the Railway Ministry right now is to make sure that every single passengers who is over there, they are safely evacuated, as well as people who have sustained injuries to shift them to a nearby hospital.
Right. Sabyasachi, the unfortunate Balasore train accident is also fresh in the minds of the people. At least 293 passengers killed and over 1,000 others who were injured in the Balasore triple train tragedy in Odisha. And the reason why there's so much focus on passenger safety is because of the fears that several passengers had also expressed on the safety of the trains. Stay on with us, Sabyasachi. We have reactions coming in from the spot. Let's cut across.
कॉल नहीं आया. अभी 2 महिलाएं आई थी, वो पता की उनके आरएमएस में लोग थे. ठीक है, जो कोचेस की बात है तो पार्सल, एसएलआर और जीएस, अभी तक जो सूचना मिली है ये 3 कोचेस जो है क्षतिग्रस्त हुए हैं, और कितने क्षतिग्रस्त हुए अनुमान तो लगाना भी मुश्किल है.
The Darjeeling MP, Mr. Raju, is on the phone line with us. Thank you for joining us. Sir, what do you know of the situation currently? We are seeing rescue operations taking place.
हेलो
जी, राजू बिस्ता जी, अगर आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है, सिचुएशन क्या है? व्हाट्स द सिचुएशन ऑन द स्पॉट?
जी, मैं स्पॉट पे ही हूँ और अभी रेस्क्यू टीम अपना काम कर रही है, जिसके अंदर में एनडीआरएफ, एसडीआरएफ की टीम पहुंच चुकी है और साथ ही रेलवे की रेस्क्यू टीम और पूरा पुलिस प्रशासन, सब लोग अपने काम में लगे हुए. हम सबकी प्रायोरिटी इस समय यही है कि हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को जिंदा जो है बाहर निकालें, और रेस्क्यू काफी हद तक मैं कह सकता हूं कि स्पीड से चल रहा है, और मुझे लगता है 1-2 घंटा और लगेगा स्थिति को और सामान्य और क्लियर होने में. बारिश भी हो रहा है, मौसम थोड़ा खराब है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी रेस्क्यू टीम अपना काम कर रही है. और कुछ लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है, अभी आंकड़े स्पष्ट नहीं है, लेकिन 5-6 के आसपास मृत्यु अभी तक हो चुकी है, जो गांव वालों का, जिन्होंने उन बॉडी को बाहर निकाला, और कुछ लोग अभी भी फंसे हुए हैं, और कुछ 25-30 लोगों के आंकड़े सामने आए जिनको चोटें आई हैं, उनको यहाँ से अस्पताल रवाना कर दिया गया है. और स्थिति अभी यही है. हम सबकी प्रायोरिटी इस समय यही है कि हम रेस्क्यू को जल्द से जल्द पूरा करें.
जी, राजू बिस्ता जी, अभी प्रोब तो ऑर्डर किया जाएगा, लेकिन कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन है कि व्हाट लेड टू द एक्सीडेंट?
देखिए, एक्सीडेंट का कारण यही है कि जो पैसेंजर कंचन कन्या है, जो सियालदा कलकत्ता जा रही थी, वो अपनी स्पीड से थोड़े कम स्पीड में जा रही थी, और पता चला कि पीछे से दूसरा जो है मालगाड़ी आके उसने ठोका है, और जब टक्कर मारी तो लास्ट में जो गार्ड का बोगी रहता है वो उसको, और उससे पहले के 2 जो पार्सल कोचेस होते हैं, उन तीनों में ज्यादा डैमेज हुआ है. और लकीली क्योंकि फुल फ्लेज पैसेंजर कोच वो नहीं था, तो मुझे लगता है कि वो हादसा थोड़ा उतना भयानक नहीं हुआ, लेकिन फिर भी गार्ड रूम और उन सब में भी पैसेंजर, कुछ लोगों की बैठने की सुविधा वहां पे रहती है, तो इस वजह से जो है कैजुअलिटी हुई. अब ये तो जांच का विषय है, क्योंकि मैं कोई एक्सपर्ट तो नहीं हूँ. रेलवे मंत्री लगातार जो है हम सबके संपर्क में है, वो अपना नजर बनाए हुए हैं, और रेलवे अपनी इंक्वायरी करेगी, और ऐसे हादसे दोबारा न हो इसको हमको और ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. और इसमें गलती किसकी है फिर उसके बाद ही पता चलेगा कहाँ पे चूक हुई।
जी बिल्कुल, बिकॉज रेल सेफ्टी इज ऑफ अटमोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंस। लेकिन आपने बताया कि कुछ पैसेंजर्स अभी भी अंदर फंसे हुए हैं, तो क्या डेथ टोल इंक्रीज होने का डर है?
अभी कहना कुछ भी उचित नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं स्पॉट पे ही हूँ। जो स्थिति यहाँ पे बनी हुई है, मुझे लगता है हम सबके लिए प्राथमिकता वो है कि हम लोगों को जल्द से जल्द रेस्क्यू करके बाहर निकालें। यही कह सकता हूँ इस समय में।
ओके, सो रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस आर करंटली देयर। एनडीआरएफ टीम्स भी वहां पहुंच गई हैं, एम्बुलेंसेस भी पहुंच गए हैं। क्या सारी पैसेंजर्स को इवैक्यूएट कर दिया गया है या फिर अभी प्रोसेस जारी है सर?
प्रोसेस जारी है। मुझे लगता है घंटा 2 घंटा और लगना चाहिए, क्योंकि कुछ कटिंग भी चल रही है, कुछ कोच डैमेज भी हुआ है, और इस वजह से मुझे लगता है अभी और समय थोड़ा लगेगा।
अच्छा, कोई चैलेंजेस फाइनली फॉर द एनडीआरएफ टीम्स और फॉर द रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशंस देयर? आपने बताया कि
जो एक्सपर्ट की टीम है वो अपना काम कर रही है। हम लोग तो सुपरवाइज ही कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो एक्सपर्ट की टीम है तो वो अपना काम कर रही है।
ओके, तो आप अभी स्पॉट पे हैं। All right. Raju Bisla ji, thank you so much for joining us. Very unfortunate tragedy that has taken place. 5 lives have been lost. There are fears that the death toll could go up. The evacuation process is still on. The police officials have already escorted 25 to 30 injured passengers to the hospitals. These are the visuals. Train tragedy that took place in Bengal. There are 2 trains that collided. It was a goods train that hit the passenger train from behind. It led to 3 bogies being derailed completely, leaving several passengers injured and 5 dead. Adrija, my colleague, joining us with the details. Adrija, we spoke to the Darjeeling MP, who's currently at the spot, and spoke about the rescue operations being underway. The visuals also show the extent of the tragedy and the extent of the accident, the impact of it, with several bogies being derailed in the accident.
Well, absolutely. You see, very unfortunate and tragic accident in North Bengal in Darjeeling district that has taken place. And in this entire incident, the goods train, which apparently due to bad weather, because it's continuously raining in northern part of West Bengal, due to bad weather, did not quite, pay attention to the sign or the signal that was given to it, and has overshot the signal and have gone and hit the train, the passenger Kanchenjunga Express from behind. It was a goods train that has was on a higher speed than the Kanchenjunga Express, and it has gone and hit the Kanchenjunga Express from behind, resulting in the last 3 compartment or even more compartments derailing from the railway track, and therefore several passengers being injured. Approximately 25 to 30 people, from what we are getting to know as of now, is injured, and therefore definitely there's a huge possibility that these numbers might go up. And unfortunately, the death toll as of now is 5, but as and when the rescue operation proceeds, there is also a possibility that the death toll might increase in this entire matter. And at the same time, we are also seeing that medical tents have been set up in that area where in order to provide proper.
So the rescue operations are currently underway. The Railway Minister taking stock. Stay with us. The President also expressing grief, taking to the social media platform X to express distress. Tweets have been coming in from several leaders. The President now tweeting, the news of the loss of lives due to the train accident in Darjeeling, West Bengal is deeply distressing. My thoughts and prayers are with the bereaved families. I pray for the speedy recovery of the injured and success of relief and rescue operations. That's a tweet that has come in from President Draupadi Murmu. Several leaders have been expressing grief over the incident. The rescue operations are still ongoing. We continue our live coverage. We'll be back after a short break.